I'm Chris Berry, Customer Services, and I'm based in Christchurch. So I guess my day-to-day role is kind of split between entering orders for customers and then answering inquiries that come in, which could be anything from inquiring about products or someone wanting an update on their order or wanting to check where their order is, wanting to know if we've got stock availability or something, that kind of thing. Well, I guess I've been at Buro since its inception.
How long now?
Well, it's coming up to 30 years. I was one of the first employees, and the first employee in Christchurch anyway. I guess there's a small part of the job where, of course, you just get comfortable with what you're doing, and it's been easy to get comfortable working for Buro. I guess my role's changed slightly over the years, so that's kept me interested, I guess, because it was quite a small company to start with, and my role involved more hands-on with even dispatching orders, and the product we used to sell was different as well. I guess also the staff that I've met over the years have been pleasant to work with, it's just a pleasant working environment. I'd like to think it's maybe we're easy to deal with, and that's probably involves all of the staff, the sales team who deal with the customers, and even people like myself, I guess, sort of behind the scenes, and customer services who help people with their inquiries I think it's probably more to do with the staff, perhaps. Obviously, the products, people aren't going to buy them unless we've got good products. And of course, we started with trying to push the chair in a box thing, which we still do today, but obviously offer assembled chairs as well as an option. I think it's a combination of that, probably good quality product at a reasonable price and good backup service.